I got the case split, but unfortunately it was much harder than it should have been. So you can see all of the blue. It was on everything. All of the bolts had it as well, just caked on there.
What in the world?
I believe that was the reason that the case leaked so bad. So when you come over to the other side of the case, you can just see there's just oil everywhere. That's how it's been pretty much the whole time I've owned it. There's the blue everywhere, and then on the cylinders themselves, there was a lot of sealant. So I think kind of both of those, it was leaking in all the areas, but that's just sealant clumped up. And I took off most of it, but it's just, there was so much on there. I understand you're gonna get some just by the nature of it, but there was quite a bit. So took quite a bit to separate the case, got it separated, all the parts in there. The crank, trying to get a picture. I know it's a little shaky, but I'm sure you can hear it. Moves quite a bit. I know there's supposed to be a little bit of play in there, but those are excess in my opinion, and they're all pretty much the same. So case definitely needed to be split. Now really it's just time to start cleaning. Get the crank out of there, get the cam out of there, all the parts, cylinders 3 and 4, 1 and 2, and this is just all the extra parts. Everything's bagged and tagged, so really now it's just many hours of scrubbing them to get everything clean. Then I have to measure out the crank and then all of the bearings to see what I have, because this case has been rebuilt, obviously. So gotta have to measure everything, make sure it's good. Whatever's not good, then I'll have to buy some new bearings. I don't necessarily want to upgrade. I'll just keep it the same. Maybe a cam if I need it, but if I don't need it, I'm not going to upgrade that. It like I said, it ran good. It just leaked like crazy. It was probably a quart of oil a week. It was my daily driver, but it was probably a quart of oil a week. So lots of work ahead.